The African fish eagle, perched near a water body, its distinctive cry echoing across the landscape. Then a flash of vibrant colours as the lilac-breasted roller flutters in the savannas. Pause for a moment to admire the stunning carmine plumage of the southern carmine bee-eater along the rivers, and listen to the melodic song of the Cape robin chat in a nearby garden. In the open grasslands, the secretary-bird strides with its long legs, while the southern yellow-billed hornbill, with its down-curved bill, is a common sight in the savannas. The African penguin, an iconic species, waddles along the coastlines of South Africa. Meanwhile, the grey go-away bird's distinct call rings through the wooded habitats. The greater flamingo, a tall pink vision, wades in salt pans, and the African jacana, with its long toes, can be seen in wetlands. These are but 10 popular birds in the diverse avian world of southern Africa, a